Hi, I'm Charles Palmer, Associate Professor of Interactive Media and the Executive Director for the Center of Advanced Entertainment and Learning Technologies at Harrisburg University of Science and Technology. In my role, I oversee the design and development of ventures in new and emerging technologies and mentor students in the use of these technologies. Technology is being created and refined all of the time, giving rise to new opportunities to improve business operations, personal productivity, and communications. Technology changes can be sustaining, involving incremental improvements to existing technologies. These changes allow an organization to be more efficient, improve their products, and increase customer satisfaction. In contrast to sustaining changes, disruptive technology changes are far more substantial and result in the ability to do something that couldn't be done before, like talking to your phone through a digital assistant or riding in a driverless car. Sustaining technology changes are often rolled into normal business operations. For example, new laptop models with increased memory and faster processors can be upgraded as needed or as time and money will allow. While the new laptop model may increase productivity, they don't completely change the business like disruptive technologies have the potential to do. If a company is not alert to new trends in technology, missing out on disruptive technologies may mean going out of business. Kodak was once the #1 company in the world for photography accessories. When digital photography disrupted the field, Kodak did not embrace it as a new medium of choice for photographers. Kodak stuck with their film-based business model, which ended in a complete disaster for the company. Intel and Google are organizations that use disruptive technology not only to change the way they conducted business, they actually redefine how their respective industries operate. Customer relationship management company Salesforce started as a new market disruption and evolved into a product priced for those companies that couldn't afford a multi-million-dollar license for Salesforce management software. Its initial product had fewer features than its main competitor, but once it built a critical mass and further developed its product, Salesforce disrupted the CRM industry. Netflix started out as a DVD mail order business and could have gone the way of Blockbuster, ultimately going out of business because it failed to adapt to disruptive technology. Instead, Netflix transitioned to video streaming and content creation in their own studio and is a huge success today. Amazon has grown from an online bookstore to a full-service online retailer, as well as having products and services in IT infrastructure, delivery innovations, and device monitoring technologies. Successful companies like these share the need to constantly innovate and adapt to disruptive technologies to anticipate the needs of the future. It's human nature to think that our world is static. It can be difficult to imagine a world where people depend on driverless cars, artificial intelligence, or any other new technology. When the PC was first developed in 1975, the CEO of Digital Equipment Corporation declared there was no reason anyone would want a computer in their home. The companies that disagreed, like HP, Apple, and Intel, are still relevant companies today. The companies that remain on the competitive landscape over decades of doing business are the ones that are valiant not only in recognizing and integrating emerging technologies, but in creating new technologies that disrupt their respective industries. These companies have become the trendsetters and thought leaders. They recognize that both sustaining and disruptive changes are critical to the lifespan of their business. So adopt sustaining technology changes for the business and for your personal productivity to stay relevant and increase efficiencies. And adapt to disruptive technologies to create a competitive advantage, change the business, change the industry, or even create an entirely new business product, service, or business model.